Delegat! Muhterem Prezident Cenab Ali Başkomandan JF-17C bakışa hazırdır. Müdafaa Naziri General-Polkovnik Zakir Hasanov.
President of the Republic of Azerbaijan, Supreme Commander-in-Chief Ilham Aliyev was presented JF-17C multirole fighter jets on September 25 at Heydar Aliyev International Airport. These advanced, lightweight, all-weather aircraft, designed for both day and night operations, were developed as a joint venture between Pakistan Aeronautical Complex, Kamra and Chengdu Aircraft Industry Corporation of China. The jets have already been integrated into the arsenal of Azerbaijan's Air Force. Defense Minister of the Republic of Azerbaijan, Colonel General Zakir Hasanov reported to Supreme Commander-in-Chief Ilham Aliyev. Azerbaijan's Defense Minister and Chairman of the Pakistan Aeronautical Complex Board, Air Vice Marshal Hakim Rasa provided details about the aircraft's tactical and technical specifications, operational guidelines, and key performance indicators. The JF-17C is a single-engine multi-role combat aircraft known for its air-to-air and air-to-ground capabilities, as well as its high maneuverability at medium and low altitudes, making it notable for its effective firepower.